Welcome to BodyMaitre podcast. I'm your host, Darreck. In this podcast, we explore the journey of healing, self-discovery, and awakening through the BodyMaitre 4-body system, the spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical aspects of our being. Together, we uncover how unseen energies and hidden elements within these 4 bodies shape our thoughts, emotions, health, relationships, and manifestations. Today, we'll dive into one of the most essential insights from the teachings of Esther and Jerry Hicks, Channeling Abraham, the collective consciousness behind Ask and It Is Given and the Law of Attraction. Our topic today is You Attract What You Are Vibrationally Aligned With. Let's explore what this really means and how your 4 bodies' vibrational alignment plays a key role in manifesting the life you truly desire. So, what does it mean when we say you attract what you are vibrationally aligned with? In simple terms, it means that the universe responds to your frequency, not your words, not your wishes, but your vibration. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, every belief you hold, and even the energy within your body emits a certain frequency. The law of attraction simply mirrors that frequency back to you. If you're vibrating in joy, love, and trust, you attract experiences that match that vibration. If you're vibrating in fear, doubt, or lack, you attract circumstances that reflect those feelings. Now, here's the key. Your vibration isn't just coming from your mind or your emotions alone. It's a combined frequency of your spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies. What we call in BodyMaitre the 4 bodies consciousness. When all 4 bodies are in harmony and alignment, your energy field becomes clear and coherent. That's when manifestation flows easily, naturally, and beautifully. But what happens when one or more of your bodies are out of alignment? Maybe spiritually you believe in abundance, but mentally you doubt your worthiness. Emotionally, you might still hold fear or disappointment from past experiences. And physically, your body might feel tense, tired, or disconnected. When this happens, your vibrational signal becomes mixed. It's like trying to tune into your favorite radio station, but static keeps interfering. You might be asking the universe for something, but your energy is sending out a different message. That's why so many people say, I've been visualizing, affirming, and doing everything right. Why isn't it working? The truth is, it's not about doing more, but about aligning more. When your 4 bodies resonate together, your thoughts, feelings, energy, and actions align with your desires. Then manifestation becomes an effortless reflection of your inner vibration. Take a moment to reflect. Have you noticed times in your life when what you wanted didn't seem to show up, but what you felt kept repeating itself? Maybe you wanted harmony in relationships but kept attracting conflict, or financial flow but kept experiencing struggle, or perhaps deep down, a part of you didn't believe you were truly ready or deserving. Here are some awareness questions you can gently ask yourself. What vibration am I really sending out through my emotions and thoughts on this topic? Which of my 4 bodies might be holding resistance or fear? Do I feel aligned, relaxed, and trusting? Or am I feeling tension, doubt, or impatience? These reflections help you identify where your alignment may be off and where healing or transformation is needed. So how can we bring our 4 bodies back into alignment? With BodyMaitre, you can use the 4 bodies dowsing charts to connect with your higher self and angelic guidance. Through dowsing, you can identify the root causes of what's creating vibrational misalignment, whether it's a spiritual block, a mental belief, an emotional wound, or a physical energy imbalance. Once identified, you can clear, heal, and transform those blocks, allowing your 4 bodies to realign with the vibration of your desired reality. When that happens, your energy field becomes a perfect match to what you wish to attract. Manifestation stops being effortful and starts feeling like a natural flow of life. Remember, the law of attraction is not about chasing what you want. It's about becoming the vibration of what you want. When your 4 bodies are aligned, spiritually clear, mentally focused, emotionally balanced, and physically grounded, you naturally attract the people, opportunities, and experiences that resonate with that frequency. Take time each day to check in with yourself, tune your energy, and trust that the universe is always responding to your vibration. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of BodyMaitre podcast. If you enjoyed this reflection, share it with someone who's exploring the law of attraction or who may be seeking alignment in their life journey. Until next time, may your four bodies be in harmony, and may your vibration attract the reality that truly reflects your soul.